forever forgiven. I'm so thankful that he kept me living. For all the stuff I've done, I am surprised. If you knew me back then, you'll probably look at me and tell me I lost my mind. Now that I'm baptized, I'm with Christ. I'm blessed with the tools to do this job right. All praises to my King in the name of my Savior and the Holy Spirit for sight. All praises to my higher, my Hashem, and shining all the deeper rock for the light. Yeah, that's my past, and I wonder where the time go. If you knew me then, you'll probably ask me why my eyes low. My flesh was in control, it had me blind without a blindfold. Nothing but sinful feelings on autopilot. My mind low, my mind low. Autopilot, sinful feelings, blind without a blindfold. My flesh was in control. You'll probably ask me why my eyes low. If you knew me then, I wonder where the time go. Looking at my past.
Had to get them demons up off of me. A guilty conscience make it hard to sleep. Praying to the Father, please pardon me. Eyes low from the hydro sparking weed. Ain't perfect at all, but I'm trying to be. Just trying to live like Yeshaya did. I'm a filthy rag, an old dirty bastard. It's a full-time job, trying not to sin. But thank the Most High for His Holy Spirit. It leads me and guides me in doing what's right. I came a long way from where I used to be. I had a dark past, but now my future bright. Oh my, how time flies. Like my watch got wings and bye-bye. To the old me when I got baptized. Lay my life down so that I can have life. Eternal, still learning how to heed to the word. Gotta live right, can't mingle with the world. Got two little girls, gotta raise them to be clean. Teach them right by any means, cause to me they mean the world. And I mean every word. I swear a few years ago, never thought that I'd be here now. Seeking the kingdom every day, I'm breathing, I'm fighting these demons trying to bring me down. Them simple feelings, yeah, they linger around. But man, the Most High grace is also profound. Influence my thoughts, keep my feet on the ground. But I shall not sin that grace may abound. Renewing my mind that I may be transformed into one of His sons from the Spirit reborn. Your spirit is spirit, and flesh is a flesh, so I'm walking in spirit and truth from now on. Yeah.
Looking at my past, and I wonder where the time go. If you knew me then, you'll probably ask me why my eyes low. My flesh was in control, it had me blind without a blindfold. Nothing but sinful feelings on autopilot. My mind low, my mind low. Autopilot, sinful feelings, blind without a blindfold. My flesh was in control. You'll probably ask me why my eyes low. If you knew me then, I wonder where the time go. Looking at my past.
Where they killing ladies, ain't smoking purple hazy. Stinky, know you smell the fragrance. High said smoking blunts with Satan. Hope that don't sound crazy. I won't get offended, cause that's how I was living. Some call that addiction, I call that a spirit. Or should I say demon possession? If I'm good in my possession, that's why I won't regress.
Father, please have mercy